That's just the ability.
2, 1.
It just deals the damage immediately. Kill that pufferfish.
Just denied to get your joke, you know.
Yeah, I'll just kind of ignore it.
Alright, spread out. Oh, time warp. Okay, someone else time warps now. Shock pulse.
That was an early use of lay on hands.
Great, my pet was stuck
Next
in the-
pufferfish, next pufferfish. Piercing barb. Stack in the line. Don't move around too much.
Ooh, that was auto damage.
Shock pulse. This is a great time to grab the debuff.
Barb.
Piercing barb. Stack in the line, nice. Remember to spread because there's still damage based on proximity. Oh, you bastards. Damage is on the low side. Yeah, we should be fine.
Yeah,
Alright,
Keyboard
swim over.
my damage is shit. My pet was stuck for the entirety of time.
Fish.
It was
What,
stuck
your,
because
your
of the
pet is
pufferfish.
bugged? That's like news.
Oh no!
Remember
So
melee
ranged
on
on
the
the boss,
puffer and
melee
range
on the
on the
puffer.
boss. Yes.
Until cavitation is about to end. But right now ranged can do damage. Oh, you swam into a...
Don't kill
Yeah.
it too early. Don't kill it. Or do so.
Get the buff. Spread out.
Interrupting.
I was gonna say, let's do it.
Barb.
Swim backwards a bit. Shot balls.
Next fish.
Next pufferfish, yeah. Piercing barb. In the line.
Take buff.
Take buff, spread out immediately. Spread out, spread out, spread out. Get some barb. The homosexuals from below. Yee. Okay.
Okay, transitioning.
Damage is good.
How much HP do you have, Ergi?
8.7k.
1. Oh, in classic that would have been more than enough.
Just solo Ragnaros? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I fucked up.
Those stingers are ouchy. Alright. Ever so slightly. First pufferfish. Melee on the pufferfish, ranged on the boss. Kill the pufferfish ASAP. Interrupt boss. Right, grab the debuff. Eerst een warp.
Ooh.
Ow. That is painful. Ugh.
Just
Next buffer.
stay on boss, I think.
We
Somebody got
can
eaten
do it, you think?
I think we need the puffer.
Yeah, get the buffer fish.
Nice.
Pulse.
We need that puffer fast.
Get it down. It should be dead.
Ah,
Spread out, spread out. And let's kill the boss. No, no, think. Soon, because the boss is gonna be dead. Exactly.